Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this green wireless keyboard and mouse combo. The keyboard is 104 keys. It's a typewriter style keyboard. It includes everything what you need to operate your computer. Comes also with a 2.4G dongle. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then use it in real life on my laptop. So here's the box, some description, technical specification. And so let's take it out here, nicely protected. And the second part is the mouse. So here we go, get even the battery. And the mouse is really nice, beautiful, stylish, very lightweight. Can open it, and with the battery which is included, we can power it here. So we close this again. And down here we have the 2.4G wireless dongle, which we can just plug in into our computer or USB hub, and it will not only connect the mouse but also the keyboard in one. And so here's the keyboard, also very beautiful, stylish. I would say it has a pretty solid build. Comes also with this kick stand here in the back on both sides, could be very helpful. Then we have to open the battery compartment, add the battery, which is also included for the keyboard, and we have 4 soft rubber feet for very safe hold on a desk. Of course, when we elevate it using the kickstand, then it is just using 2 of these feet, but it has still a very solid, safe hold. And so we can use it on a laptop, on mini PC, on a full-size desktop. It doesn't matter. Can be a huge upgrade to such a very simple laptop keyboard if you want to work for longer time here. So we are just using this small dongle, plug it in here. So I push it inside. Let's see what's going to happen. You can see it says setting up a device. We are setting up 2.4G keyboard mouse. So don't need any software, nothing to download, nothing to install. Everything will be done automatically. You just have to wait. Depending on the speed of your PC, can take maybe up to 5 minutes. If you have a faster PC, maybe just 1 or 2 minutes. But just wait till you get this confirmation. Here it says device is ready, and so we can start using it. So let's see, we just click down and it should wake up the mouse, and it did it. You can see the mouse pointer is moving nicely. I would say really nice here, nice and smooth. Yeah, absolutely awesome. I would say really nice accuracy, works in all the directions. Let's see if it even works here on the white desk. A lot of computer mice have lots of problems with such a shiny white surface. Yeah, and it still works really nice. I almost can't see any difference. That's also a huge advantage. And so let's try also the keyboard. I just start typing here. Yeah, absolutely no problem right from the beginning. Feels really comfortable. It's also pretty silent, no loud clicking or so to hear. Of course, it's not a mechanical keyboard, but it looks really nice. We have even 3 indicators, 1 for the power, 1 for the caps lock, and 1 for the nums lock. And we have also the numbers here, and we have 13 built-in multimedia function keys. So for example, we can increase and decrease the volume. We hit the FN and then the plus. You can see it's increasing the volume, or we decrease the volume directly from this keyboard, or using this start stop for videos and a lot more. And what's awesome regarding the battery is that it goes into sleep automatically after 10 minutes. You don't have to turn it off or on. There is no button here. There's no button on the keyboard. It will just go into sleep after 10 minutes and then save a lot of power. And whenever you want to use it, just hit the key or touch one of the mouse buttons and it will wake up instantly from sleep. So you don't have anything to do, and the battery is supposed to last for up to 18 months for the keyboard and for the mouse. So I think it's not a bad thing. I mean, it's not a professional keyboard, but it can be a lot of fun, especially with this color, maybe for children, teenager, something for your wife or girlfriend or whatsoever. I mean, it's a really special design. Comes even with this back button here, A very unique design. Also, the mouse wheel is pretty comfortable, would say. And it's available in 7 different colors, not even expensive. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.